Coach Alipati from Fiji Village. Just a quick question with Samantha coming back into the squad last week. How are the combinations with the current players coming along?
I think very good. Like a lot of that forward pack has played together a bit. Especially Nate and Jade Coates. So her coming into the team, we sort of only wanted her to play about 50 minutes, which she did, and she got through that section really well. And I was a bit worried for Nates when she went down, but they told me it was just her contacts in her eyes, which was a good thing. So her knee held up well, which she had a tweak in, and she performed outstandingly for a girl that hasn't played rugby for a while, and she's trained very hard and earned her place in the squad. And her combination with Jade jumped very well, and obviously got. I think she was man of the match on the weekend, especially with her line-out calling and her vision. So with the line-out, and Nat is the more physical lock, and she likes to bash people. We like that combination within our team, and we've got good bench warmers, impact players to come off the bench and do the same job as they do. So the combination is working really well. We'll see how Kara goes. It's not Kara, sorry, Anna Koravata goes with her concussion test, and then hopefully that combination stays the same. I know we'll be mixing up the backline a bit just to see how our depth goes in this sort of competition. So we'll go from there, and we'll let you know when the team's announced.